Good day folks, today I'm going to do a review of my Altec Lansing VS4121, which is I've been using for the past 9 years. I bought it since 2011, now it's 2020. It still sound good. For those who know, who is a fan of Altec Lansing, definitely know this speaker well. This is the legendary speaker. They are very good. A good build speaker and also a good sounding speaker. Okay, so there are 2.1 system, which is also come with a subwoofer. I don't know if you can see it over there. This is not a properly set up studio, but that's the subwoofer. It's a 6-inch subwoofer. Okay, so this speaker has a power of 31 watts RMS. This is 6 watt, and the subwoofer is 19 watts. Okay, so out of the box I can say this speaker sounds very good. Unlike most of the speaker where you need lots of tuning, this speaker does not need that much. Out of the box it sounds very clear. It is sounds crisp and very good. As you can see as well, in the right side of the speaker there's an adjustment of tone. Okay, so it only have bass and treble and a volume, so mean it's only have 2 tone to adjust, which is the treble and the bass, or that's it. Not much things to tune over there, but surprisingly it sounds so fantastic that I use in my daily rig as a piano speaker and stuff. Okay, so with that said, this speaker already been used for 9 years. The only problem that I have is the volume knob, and I mean the treble, which is those switches knob, which is the dirt already been entered into the knobs, causing it to sometimes sound crackling. The speaker you cannot open because the body stick to a very strong glue. The only way you to is to heat it up, and that's require a lot of tool, which I don't have. Okay, so now I'm going to play some of the audio, which is, let me search on YouTube for never mind, I just play whatever track that I have. So let's play some song and see. Okay, let's play Don't Start by Dua Lipa. Man, it sounds very clean. The vocal is focused, it's like it's in the center, and the bass is pounding. I can hear the guitar bass very clear, man. Man, that is very clear. So imagine this is only 24% of volume, and it's already loud. Those speaker is 31 watts RMS, and just now playing only at a volume of 24%, and that's how loud it is. So if I go over 50, this camera wouldn't able to pick up the much of the sounds, which make the camera to sound distort. But anyway, I will do that. So let's just play it around from the beginning. Let's set it to 50 so you guys can hear it. Okay, so it's already in 50. Show you guys, it's in 50. So let's play it. Cannot hear anything. Don't show up, don't come out, don't stop caring about me now. Walk away. Now that is very powerful sounding Altec Lansing VS4121, which is within 10 years the amplifier still efficient and keep going, pounding up those speakers. For the driver unit of this system, it consists of two tweeter. I think it's a soft dome. It's not a metal tweeter, it's a soft dome. Let me on. So as you can see, it's actually a soft dome tweeter. Looks like a plastic on your earphones. And then for the bottom one, we have a 3-inch mid-range. It's a small mid-range, probably just playing vocals. Okay, so the 6-inch subwoofer isn't that much. Okay, it's not that much, but it delivers the job very well. Altec Lansing engine this speaker totally, I can say, without a mistake. Okay, so but sadly now Altec Lansing is moving toward portable speakers such as those Bluetooth speaker. Hopefully they continue back on producing desktop speaker, which I've been a fan for them. Previously, when I was playing audio, the only brand I know was a Sony. Until then, when I hear Altec Lansing, the rest is history. It's nothing. Every time I went to speaker shop, I will compare those sound with Altec Lansing brand. Altec Lansing is an audio veteran. It's been there. They've been in the car, speaker as in live band and cinema. They've been everywhere. It's just now the brand most of people doesn't hear much anymore. Okay, so now I'm going to play instrument, my keyboard instrument through this Altec Lansing speaker, so you guys can hear the clarity of it. Okay, remember, instrument, my digital instrument is a very high-end digital instrument, so definitely if your speaker are not good, it wouldn't able to perform the piano sound that clear. All right, so let me set up first. Hold on. As you can see now, I've been reload my instrument using FL Studio. I'm going to play Yamaha S90 ES sample, and then it sounds through this speaker. And trust me, this is not a lie. You see, it's sounding, and if I off this speaker, there's no sound. So it's truly come out from the speaker. There is no studio editing or whatever coming. It's just through that speaker. Okay, so let me turn on. The sound is back. Okay, so now let's hear the high sample of the Yamaha S90 ES. So I'm playing with the cam in front of me, so sometimes the tune out of order, so hopefully you forgive me. The nuances of the piano is very detailed. All the spring I can hear very clearly. Wow. It's very unfamiliar when playing with the camera in the mid of my finger, so if I move, it's touch this camera body, but you get the things. That's how it sound. If you guys found this review helpful with those speaker, I mean, kindly subscribe. Okay, if you guys have found someone selling those speakers secondhand with the right price, my suggestion is you better grab it as fast, because those speakers are really good sounding speaker. And make sure it's working. Of course, Altec has stopped producing those speakers. There's no more in the market, but somehow if you guys get one of them, be thankful, because those speaker is very good and it's cheap back in the day. Back in the day, it cost around, I think, roughly around $40, $60, in fact, $60 for one set. Now someone even sell it for $100 for that set, and that is second hand. So Altec doesn't produce it anymore. That's why it's becoming more rare. Okay, some versions are coming in silver, but they are very, very good sounding, I tell you. Guys, that's it. I can't tell you much. It's proven. It's very good speaker. Okay, the vocal is very clear. I'm going to show you one more song with vocal. Okay, so just 1 second, guys. This one will make my video come without ads on my channel, but it's okay as long as you guys satisfied with the review. This one Indonesian song from Chris Dayanti, so hopefully you guys can hear it. I'm going to minimal it so the camera can pick up.
Menghitung hari, detik demi detik, masaku nanti apakan ada. Jalan cerita, kisah yang panjang, menghitung hari, padamkan saja.
So I'm going to skip at the chorus. Listen, guys. So focused and very, very much clear. It's like the singer is in front of me. The violins, they are floating. Guys, tell you what, in this 2020, I can't find a good speaker, a good sounding speaker with that price of this Altec Lansing anymore. I tell you what, that's the truth. Okay, so guys, keep subscribing my channel. That's all for today. I think hopefully you're interested in my review. So take care, guys, and have a good day. Goodbye.